Oxygenetix Foundations and Hydro-Matrix bottles have an airless pump using vacuum seal technology instead of a traditional straw. This means, as you dispense the product, suction from the pump raises the piston so it is always near the top and ready to go. One of the best advantages of having an airless pump is you can get every drop of product out. Here's what it looks like as you pump out product over time. Airless pumps keep the product sanitized and safe. They protect the product from air and contaminants until you dispense it. With our new transparent bottles, you can easily see when you're running low. These airless pumps need to be primed before the product can be dispensed. So if your foundation isn't coming out right away, do not open the bottle. This will start to oxidize the product and shorten its shelf life. Instead, cover the dispenser hole with your finger and pump until the product is primed. You will feel when it's ready. The Hydromatrix dispenser always looks like this. Nothing is blocking the hole. The clear rubber just protects the product. Remove excess product right away, so it doesn't dry on the bottle and every application remains sanitary. As a last resort, you can turn the bottle over and use a paper clip to raise the piston. Oxygenetix airless pumps protect your product, so the last drop will be as fresh as the first for consistent coverage and a flawless finish every time. Enjoy the revolutionary skincare benefits with every application.